Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I've got a package from Rosalind and I'm so excited. It's 6 gel polishes. So guys, let's swatch them together. I've got 3 solid color polishes and I've got 3 glitter polishes, and I'm so excited, especially for the glitters. I want to see what they're like. Now these bottles didn't come with any names, so I can't give you any names for each polish. They literally just come as they are. For the glitters, I did 2 coats and I cured in between coats just so we get a full coverage and we see what it's really like. These gel polishes are very pigmented, but the glitter polishes, especially the pink one, is pretty sheer, which isn't a bad thing. I really like that. I definitely want to do a kawaii set with it. So when I get my kawaii charms, I definitely want to do something with this pink glitter polish. Honestly, it's so beautiful to me. So friends, this is my first collab with Rosalind and I'm so excited because I've loved the brand for a while. What I really want to try is their poly gels, because the gel polishes are lovely, excellent quality. I have no complaints whatsoever. So I'm just going to let you guys have a look at the swatches. Let me know what you think about Rosalind products in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. So I wanted to do my nails using the polishes and I had no idea which polish to use. They were all so beautiful to me, like I just couldn't pick one. But in the end I ended up going with the second glitter polish, the light purple one, because I always do pink. Like, you know, pink's my favorite color. All of the nails I do are like pink. So I said, let me switch it up and do purple. So I prepped my tips off camera and I'm gonna do 2 coats of the purple glitter and I'm gonna cure the polish in between each coat.
I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready. I just wanna be ready for the sun to be ready.
I got these Valentine's Day decals from Amazon, and these chunky glitters from XXL were from a kit I unboxed in the previous video. I'll have that linked in the cards as well. So for my design, I literally freestyled these nails. I wanted them to be slightly extra, you know, a lot of glitter, a lot of decals, really pretty, really girly. So I basically just apply some base coat over the glitter polish, and then I just scattered around the iridescent chunky glitter and the little love hearts and kisses and lips and all that stuff from the Valentine's Day stuff, and then I cured it in place. And then that was what I did for my like design. And then I just did a nude ombre and clear poly gel over to encapsulate it all and give it a nice shape. And that's pretty much what I did for the design. It's really simple, anyone can do it, especially beginners. So yeah, let me know what you think about these nails in the comment section. I'm not going to talk too much, everyone. I'm just going to let you enjoy the video, enjoy some music, and I'll see you towards the end, guys.
Hey, watch out what you got.
Gotta try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we grooving. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. Show you the grass is green or whatever it is your feet on. Music pumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. Know if I'ma make it out alive. I got my friends, got my lady right by my side. Or something, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping got me feeling like something ain't right. These thoughts are just in my mind. I think there's something you should know. You drive me crazy 'cause you're so nice to be around. But I'm looking at the ground and you're staring right at me. The game is up. I think I've said enough. I'll just forget all the rest. Look at us, two kids just out of luck. But I think that you're the best of the best. Yeah. Now that we know we're the same, maybe we could share a name. And I'm thinking ahead 'cause I know that you could be the one. But it's all just part of the song.
I'm so in love with these glitters, and I'm really excited to use this pink one for a kawaii set. But for this set, this light purple one was so perfect. It came out even better than I thought it would. This was a complete freestyle set. Like, I actually did this at like 2 a.m. in the morning. Like, it's crazy. Thank you so much, Rosalind, for the gels, and thank you everyone for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.